Get inside!
Okay.
Now that you're inside, I'll make you unconscious. Rick, why in the world would you do that? You'll be in a tight locked room with no key to escape. Go! Oh, great. We're with Circle. Your problem with Circle now? I mean, that's our team. But still!
Why are you cheating on me? It was me, not him. Leave me alone.
Oh. Damn it. What? Where's Banana? Remember Baby? He dies in episode 2. Cool.
I agree. That is cool.
Cookie! Get into your room's points. Cookie, I can't believe you're here.
Lightning, where are you?
Oh, Duck, Tyson's calling me. I think I better go.
What the fuck? If that's there, we can escape.
You do not can fly, right? And fly the rest of us up.
Let's go!
Hey, Udo, hurry up. You're too slow. Just putting some people isn't as easy as you think, butthead. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks, Udo. Thanks. Wait, Dora, there's a window here? See. ¿Por qué? I have an idea. Okay, tell us what? Monetization. Hey, play an ad. Really? This was your idea, Circle? It's worth a coin, trust me. Told you, Circle. Well, sorry, I use Box, but she's fragile. And then you use David. He's a stick man, just like Dora. Stop! We need an efficient solution. Mean what now? Let's use a light bulb. You're kidding. I have an idea.
What is it, Bone?
Well, it is. I forgot.
Yay, this one we're gonna be eliminated. If I think I know my vote. Who are you, little light bulb?
Unless he's on the all-fantastic team, silly. You can't vote for him. I feel a large amount of stupidity just happening to my non-existent earwaves.
Please stop it, Circle. I'm tired of hearing ah.
Hey, you should be nice to...
Wow, I didn't expect that to work.
Hey, Needle, how many lives do you have in this episode again?
4.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Exactly very annoying, right?
I agree. I just realized both of our names start with N.
You think?
I wasn't one, but I wouldn't want to waste your 4th line.
Definitely.
Come on, that's fantastic! Where's Balloon?
We're never gonna open the window.
Never say never, Marshmallow. I bet this door will open.
Wait, we need a light bulb.
Thanks for reviving me, Marshmallow.
No problem. Those players are gonna be up for elimination.
We're doing stuff differently this episode, so the viewers vote who to eliminate. Although Circle and David get immunity, so vote for Coiny, Nickel, Spoon, Dora, Balloon, Firey, Box, and Non-Existy.